Hello dear students. Now let us study about the topic the reaction time. The reaction time, it is in the chapter motion in a straight line. Okay, what is reaction time? Consider this example. So tell your friend to hold the ruler. This is the ruler. Tell your friend to hold the ruler. Okay. So it must be passed between his thumb and forefinger. So when you release this ruler, tell him to hold. Tell him to hold. Okay, you can't hold at this point. The ruler will travel little bit vertically downward. Vertically downward. So the distance, how much the ruler traveled. Okay, because before holding the ruler, he has to think, he has to react, and then he has to hold it. Okay, otherwise you would have hold in that point only. You can't hold at that point because the ruler will move for a little bit down. Okay, because the person you have to think, you have to react, then you have to hold it. Okay, so this is nothing but the reaction time. Another example is there. When you are traveling in a vehicle, let us assume a car, you are traveling in a car. If a boy or a kid is come in front of the car, means what you have to do? You have to think whether you have to apply the brake, you have to think, then you have to act. Okay, that means you will take some time. You will take 1 or 2 seconds before applying the brake. That time is known as reaction time. Okay, let us see the definition. What is reaction time? Reaction time is the time a person takes to observe, think and act. What is the definition? Reaction time is the time a person takes to observe, think and act. Okay, that is the reaction time. We are considering the time t. We need t. Okay, so in this example, you are dropping this ruler in the y-axis, vertically downward. Okay, now let us, for this example, we can use one equation. We can consider this equation y equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. If it is in the x-axis, means you can write x equal to x naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. In this example, we are dropping the ruler in the negative y-axis, downward. Okay, downward. So therefore, we can use this equation y equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. When you drop this, so this is the initial position. You are holding the ruler. This is initial position. When you drop the ruler, it may move this much direction. Okay, your initial position will be at this point. Okay, your final position will be at this point. This distance you have to measure. Understood? Okay, so when you drop this scale vertically downward, this was your initial position. Finally your ruler will be moved down. You will hold here. At this point you will hold. Okay, it was the initial position. This is the final position. So this is the distance the ruler has traveled. Okay, use this equation y equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. Here initial position you holding, that is y naught equal to 0. Okay, so your friend is holding the scale still before dropping. So initial velocity is 0, v naught equal to 0. So it is moving under the influence of gravity. That means acceleration a equal to minus g. What is g? Acceleration due to gravity, minus g. Okay, if you substitute this values in the equation. So y naught becomes 0, v naught, this becomes 0, v naught 0 and t is 0. Okay, you will get only this term half into a t square. What is a? That is minus g. You will get y equal to minus half gt square. Okay, so what we need? Time. So therefore t square, you keep the t square here only, bring 2 up. Okay, you will get 2y by g. T square equal to 2y by g, or t equal to under root 2y by g. So I have written TR. What is TR? Reaction time. TR represent reaction time. So what is the equation for reaction time? Under root 2yg. Okay. So if you come across any numerical problem, means to find the reaction time, you have to use this equation. What is the equation for reaction time? TR equal to under root 2yg. Y means the distance it has moved. Okay, in this example, so we have values. Okay, let us assume the distance the moved is 21 centimeter. Your scale, your ruler moved 21 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the reaction time. So so we have to convert into SI unit, that is in the meter. So to convert 21 centimeter into meter means you have to divide by 100. Okay, so y equal to 21 by 100 meter. Okay, therefore you will get 0.21 meter. Okay, I have converted centimeter into meter. Y equal to 0.21 meter. Now you can substitute t equal to, what is the equation for reaction time? T equal to, or TR equal to under root 2y by g. 2 into, what is the y value? 0.21 by, what is the g value? 9.8. Okay, so 9.8. If you solve this, you will get almost t equal to 0.2 seconds. Okay, even though in the equation you got a negative sign, okay, for time we don't take negative sign, so we have to take the positive quantity only. Okay, so don't get confused. For the to take the considered time, we have taken the positive quantity only. Okay, negative sign shows only the direction of the motion. So this is all about the reaction time. What is reaction time? Reaction time is the time a person takes to observe, think and act. How much time he takes before acting. You have to observe, you have to think, then only you can act. Okay, that how much time he has taken. It is called reaction time.